The best way for a technician to introduce themselves at the door is to smile, state their full name, say the company they represent, and explain exactly why they are there before the homeowner even has to ask. Think about it from the homeowner's side for a second. A stranger just walked up to their house and their brain is already asking 3 questions without even realizing it. Who is this person? Why are they here? And can I trust them? So the technician's job in those first 5 seconds is to answer all 3 questions before fear or annoyance has a chance to build. A simple script works best, something like, "Hi, my name is John, I am with Greenleaf Plumbing, and I am here for your 9 a.m. appointment to fix the kitchen sink." Something most people do not think about is that holding up a visible identification badge while speaking builds trust almost instantly, even if the homeowner does not fully read it. Another trick barely anyone talks about is standing slightly off to the side of the people or door window instead of directly in front of it, since standing dead center can feel intimidating without you even realizing it. One common mistake is technicians rushing through their name and company so fast that the homeowner has to ask them to repeat it, which instantly creates awkward tension, so slowing down on purpose fixes that fast. Another big misconception is that technicians think small talk right away builds trust, but jumping straight into personal chatter before explaining the purpose of the visit can actually make people more suspicious, not less. A third thing to be aware of is forgetting to mention who scheduled the appointment, like a property manager or a spouse, because confirming that detail instantly removes doubt and makes the homeowner feel like everything lines up correctly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobBitDear, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.